Vana mulungu vene vanchitikira lero kanzi utu vana mulungu tuma black horse utu simunkola wachifuba ulo chimfine ine nina chifuba. I'm sure from the voice you can tell kuti I'm not too well, so ninakulako tuma lozenges utu after kutugula na diapo tubiri tutatu nambera situgwira ntchito then nakumbuka nati kuli tuma black horse paneni magulako twebe tuliko strong ngamwe napitira one of the supermarkets kairu tusituma pezekana kutali ni pamene paja pa counter pamene paja pa tiu anda na top up nigwira hapo chabe nanga chabe musikana ukwati nanga that madam, is anything the matter? Ati Mr. Dumbo, you also like those? I'm like, no, I have a very bad cough and a very bad flu, so natintengeko to my lozenges. But who told you that those are lozenges? Nati these are lozenges. And actually, I use them a lot. Nikadwala kamfine, nadwala chifuba, because they are kind of strong. At all. But who told you that they are for a cough or a flu? Nati that's what I know. What are lozenges for? Ati those are for head. Nati Mr. Ken, bali bantu pano. Nati from the time unaambia kwenda kuchipatala ine kuti nadwala mutu wakalibonire mberapo ati nimwe olonidia tu lozenges tutatu olo tuli 4 amati pasako panado atipasako kafino atipasako enangu utu wakalibonire mberako Mr. Ken, anyway, get well soon. So ina nati maybe I should read somewhere pamene sinchita kuyesa kuverenga napeza vere niziva ine 10 lozenges extra strong, meaning that ina chifuba tuse enwa msalengesa kuti nichita advertise, but me I thought this is for flu or for cough. Kazi tumapolesa na mutu